Lives, how many days? 53, 54. We'll start the 55th one along with some music. This will be 50, 55. And yep, that's it. Save. And also, let's keep the icon as it is. We'll see. Pop out the chat. Chat is here. Hey, hi Shubham. Hello, bro. I cried. Hey, Shubham. Shubham, how's the work on Cap IQ going, man? I'm very sorry. Our Hind. Hello. Hey, Hind. Long time, long time. How are things? I'm sorry, I got sick last week. Very tired. Even today, I'm not 100% up. I'm recovering a little bit. I don't know. I got some bug, some viral bug or something. But I'm like 99% good now. So we can continue on our things. Welcome. Glad you're back. Cool. Glad you guys are welcoming me with so much warmth. Varun is busy in something. So Cap IQ post. Cool, cool. No worries, no worries. Keep me posted. I'm super excited to like see what you guys are building. Okay, meanwhile, I have to do, but yeah, doing some DSA. Oh, the good old DSA. Nice. Okay, let me play some music as well. Where is my music? Where is my Chrome? Epidemic. So I'm trying Codex. So like I haven't tried it much. I thought let's try with Codex today. Lo-fi chill playlist. This is good, I guess. Okay, now it feels nice. Nice and warm. Okay. Hind, what's happening every day? How's life? Vishnu, hey bro. Hey Vishnu. So Hind, how's happening? How's life? Life is okay in a way. Like last week has not been super productive, but I'm back since yesterday. I took like almost 3 days of break from everything and was not building anything as such. Everything was on pause. But yeah, now this week again we have to hustle a bit. I was talking to my couple of my friends who are also like into indie hacking, and they gave me some advices. One of them gave me a pretty good advice on starting with like content marketing a little bit more aggressively. Do not leave it. Do not like think of going into the just on ASO. It's good. Like ASO is a long play. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just learning about a little bit of content strategies, how I can leverage content marketing, like how to start basically, because starting from zero is again a very big challenge. I tried it with post handle a little bit. I think Hind, we tried it, but it didn't go as planned. So my instincts are always a little bit lower on that end. But again, I really want to do it again because many of the indie devs are currently relying a lot on content marketing, and it's one of the channel which can definitely be leveraged. It's a channel which can be scaled technically. Like building and developing is good, and I'm dedicating around 70-80% of my time on that, but the rest of the 30% I think I should pour into content marketing. And also my YouTube channel has been like paused. I haven't published any good video for a while, so I'm working on a new video which has been in the work for I think 3 weeks now. So it's time I will try to block some time to finish that as well. And yeah, one good thing, I released my another app for November. So November start has happened. And Shubham, thank you for the icon changes you made, because I have used the exact icon for that app. and it's in review. I just received a message from Apple that they are currently reviewing it. If you want, I can show you guys that app. It's very simple teleprompter app. It's like this. Oh wait, it will not work with this project. I'll have to start the teleprompter one. Let me show you the teleprompter app. It's a very basic app. If anyone of you is into content generation, so why I made this is because, you know, uh, when I'm speaking about some of my YouTube videos, sometimes I ramble a lot, and then it's a big problem on the post editing that I have to cut on a lot of places and go very, like, I record almost 30-45 minutes, which I have to then squeeze it into 6 minutes, because I ramble a lot into things which I should not be talking, but I'm in the zone of talking and I just talk it out. So I thought, what if there is like a teleprompter in front of me which I can play and pause, and I will just write some bullet points that, okay, I have to talk about this bullet point, I'll speak, and then I move on to the next, there will be next bullet point. And this is what the idea of this teleprompter app was. Now if you write, you can create a new script. Let's say I'm creating a new script. I already have a script, so this is my script. So you can start and pause it, and you can also set the speed, whatever speed you want to set. Plus I have added a new horizontal mode, so if I have to watch a lot of, you know, screen area, because reading on a vertical screen is not the best, and you can remove this. But this is not it, because my phone will be a little bit further near to my camera. So what I have added is the coolest feature, which I haven't found in any other app, and that is share a remote. So I can have a remote ready, copy, and I can open this remote on, let's say, wait. So this remote can be opened on any browser. So I have opened the remote on my browser. So this browser will be on my computer, or it can be on any device or any other phone. So my phone is, like, let's say, further ahead from me. I do not want to tap and play and pause it. So I can just press on this and it will, okay, what's happening? For some reason, wait, is it wrong? What the hell? This is wrong. This is not right. Wait. Am I using the right remote here? Oh yeah, this is the right remote. So as you can see, you can just set the speed with this. As you will see in the scroll bar, the speed is increasing, and if I move it to 0, this is stop, and with the space bar I can just pause and play in my device. So this app, very simple, just a single day. I sat in the morning and finished it by the end, and I have just published it on App Store. This is the only thing which it does. You can write a script, open it here, and there are a couple of things, like if you are using a real teleprompter, which most of the other apps provide, that would, like, you can flip your content, so which will be in this manner, because sometimes you can place your like phone on a real teleprompter device, and then you want a mirrored view, and it will do it in this way as well. So you can open a remote, share a remote, you can start from starting, remove the view, go back. Very simple, very basic app. So this is the teleprompter app which I have just submitted, waiting for Apple to review it. Nothing fancy. I will show you the screenshots which I have submitted as well. Maybe I can show the screenshots directly from the gallery teleprompter here. So this is what the app will do. Teleprompter, professional creators, and then mirror text. So this is important. If you want to mirror your text, that feature is also here. Then you have like easy remote control and control with any device. That's the core feature of this app. Let's see how it goes on App Store. Oh, teleprompter example, remove. We can just publish these things. So yeah, this is what's happening. Thanks for asking him. Vishnu, new phone, new account, new house. Congrats, Vishnu. Which phone did you get? And is it your new account? Your name was similar in the previous one with not, I think there were no 444s. Moved to new house, man. 3 weeks, no internet. BSNL is just crap. And 2 days ago, we got set up Wi-Fi, man. Awesome, awesome. Hey, Blinken, welcome to the stream. Hey, hey, let's go. Div is back. Nice. Blinken, I saw the picture you posted of the evening game. Amazing. The views are so clean. Such a nice picture. Yarn start. We'll go to our current existing app, which I have to work on. Plus, I have also recently started using like a linear MCP, which has been a game changer. And Sam helped me. I just ditched linear because there were so many tedious tasks which I had to do on linear dashboard. I'll show you what I'm currently, how I'm managing it. So this is my linear dashboard. There are like these tasks which I have picked up in this cycle. And the good thing is I do not write any of these tasks, you know. I'm using an MCP which manages everything for me. And how it works is, let's say if I'll go to my CD to do, I have a to do folder and I'll run a Claude agent here, which I'm using Claude Code to manage everything. Can you tell me what are the tasks I need to currently finish as per my pending tasks? I have 1 hour of work. I don't want to take a big task, so check linear and let me know. So depending on this, now it will go and find out. I hope this doesn't ditch me, because sometimes the MCP returns empty, but right now I think it's working. So even I can like I have like set up the whole cycle for this week, the next week. So it is giving me quick 1 hour task is like add a video gen feature for seed dance, add an image gen with existing Nano Banana, set up MCP locally, research YouTube scripting. This I've already done, currently in review. And create a light version for tutorials, create a pro version. So these are all the tasks which I have to do this week in this cycle. So my cycles are like weekly cycles. But yeah, this has been a game changer. Like in morning, I do not have to like think a lot. I just pick up whatever the task I'm feeling like and I just work on it. Today I have 2 tasks in progress. I don't think I'll be able to finish them for sure. That's why I'm like picking up this AI transition app. But I'll fix them tomorrow once I'll feel like 100% in the morning. Okay. Shubham, just upload the podcast. Oh, nice. Podcast is like, we haven't shot the podcast. I'm waiting for Sam. So we'll shoot again this time. I hope it will be a good podcast. Hint, these last 2 months are pretty packed for me. Practicals, final exams, and also a wedding at my home in between my exams. Oh wow, wedding time plus college finish. Hint, so I think you are on your last year, right? In your college? Yeah, we haven't seen any video from you lately. I'm working on it. It's a really good video. I showed you the like a preview, I think 2-3 weeks back. And I have, it's 80% complete. I just have to sit one day, wrap it up. I hope I will do it this week. I'm pretty sure. Like my week is already super packed, but there are a couple of things which I have to finalize here. There is some YouTube task. There's a marketing task. It's very simple, but really a useful app. Yeah, that was like this app. Even there is no paywall. Like this is completely free. You can just download it and start using it. There is no payment, nothing. Because this app is specifically for me, so that I can just keep adding different features depending on what are valuable as a content creator myself. Blinken, taken for my Samsung S21 5G phone from years ago. But yeah, Samsung cameras are really good. My brother also like stick with Samsung phones. I am mesmerized by the sky, man. Haven't seen such a beautiful sky in a long time. Yes, true. I think, yeah, in US, the AQI must be super low. Like compared to what people are complaining about in Delhi these days. The situation is pretty bad. Shivam Chaudhary, hi Divyanshu, long time. Hey Shivam, welcome man. Yeah, I'm sorry, I got like sick last week, so I couldn't come live for a couple of days, and I thought it's time to take some rest, just think about or plan the week better. So I took a little bit of a rest. The sunrise was great this morning while driving my kid to school, but couldn't get a picture. Nice, nice. First sem, first year. Oh yeah, you are. Oh shit, you are in first year. Wow, long way to go. Long way to go, Hen. All the best for your college days. The best days. I think the first and second year are the best. After that, it gets a little bit boring. I hope it does not get boring for you. Shubham, let's say you had 40,000 rupees. What will be the investment you will make first? Investment at 40,000. I don't know. Like I would, it depends. Currently, what would 40,000 give me? I would buy some AI coding tools for maybe like 10,000 rupees. Or if you are looking for trading investment or stock investment, I have no idea about those things. I've recently started dabbling around Polymarket and what the other thing is, Kalshi. Those markets, Sam told me quite super interesting things. I have to dabble into it. So I'm thinking to like bet on Kalshi and Polymarket, but just for fun, not investment. Okay, I think I opened two. Especially in winters, you can't even see 50 meters ahead of you in the morning. Oh yeah, that's the fog, right? It's not in Goa. The Goa, it's like perfect weather. I'm liking the weather in Goa these days. I can show you a picture as well from today's sunset. Where is the picture? I usually take a lot of videos. So this is a place, this is a small beach where I usually go. So this is how it was today. Pretty good, like pretty clear sunset happening. Okay, let me give Kodak some task. Are we on the different branch? I think here we are on different branch. Yeah, this is featuring edit props. I want to add. For this, I also need to check the AI server. Wait. AI VFX. CD functions yarn. NVM use 20. By the way, I have exhausted my Droid tokens. I'm also using Droid, just testing it out. I feel like Droid agent is really good. I mean, it's one of those tools I would love to make a video on, If you guys don't know about this, I hope you guys know about Factory AI. So Factory AI is it's similar to what Cloud Code is, but I think Factory AI is completely working on the agentic workflow using all these what you call them, like the standard models, and their pricing tier is super simple and also very generous. So you can get a free 0 per month where you get like all the models but 5 million tokens. I've used all the 5 million tokens. I tried paying for Pro because it's so good. Like the experience on the CLI is much better, and also how it works, I feel it works better than Cloud Code. Because I have been using Cloud Code for a while, I still feel Cloud Code sucks at some of the agentic workflows, whereas Factory or Droid just works. The sad part is I cannot pay for their services for some reason. I'm going on the billing section. I'm trying to, as you can see, my usage is completely finished. Edit, view billing details. Maybe I can pay. Invoice history, draft paid. So as you can see, I tried paying a lot of times today. Every time it failed. I don't know if it's because of the portal which they are using as a payment gateway. Not sure. Understand. Sup? Hey, understand. Welcome to the stream. Maybe I can try another one. $20 per month. Confirm. So you see, it starts to show me like this view, but I'm like, I haven't received any message like the money has deducted. So I'm pretty sure it's not allowing me. If I'll refresh it, it will go back. It didn't. Oh yeah, see. So this is not working for me for some reason. Alt Dragon, yo bro, hey Alt Dragon, how are you? What you guys are working on? Yeah, for some reason this is not working. The payment is not working. I might have to, or it's better I can just ping the x.com. Let me just send a message to Factory AI. Factory. What is the Droid Factory? I'm missing out on so many things. So Droid is also like a CLI agent. So you can see if I will run it on my to do here. So you can just run Droid and this will start, and you have like different models you can choose from. The good part is they give you, like initially they give you 5 million free tokens, and the best part is the visibility on the pricing they have given. So if you use their own like Droid Core, which is a hosted self-hosted GLM 4.6, which is cheapest, it's like 0.25. So each token would be 4 tokens for GLM 4.6. So if you get 5 million tokens free, if you use just GLM 4.6, that would mean like 20 million tokens because it's fourth price. But if you use Opus 4.1, it will be like 6 times. So what I generally do is I'm always on their 4.5 or GLM or on GPT-5 codex, because that also takes just half token cost. It's very efficient. It took me 10-15 days to just finish those 5 million tokens, and the way it works is I'm like amazed at the quality of this model. Plus I have used a lot of MCPs, added like 3-4 MCPs inside it, which are currently working on. I have hosted my own MCPs which do a lot of research for me. If you want, I can show you. Like, I can't show it on this one, but I can show you on, wait, is MCP working here? No, in to do it will not work. Maybe it will work on CD 100 MCP, then there is ASO. If I use Claude here, I think in Claude this will work. Yeah, it's working. So this is ASO MCP, which is my own MCP. So if I have to say, hey, I am working on an app which is my next app, which is a UGC maker. It helps user create AI UGCs and create like viral 3 or 5 second hooks using these UGCs for social media. Do a proper research, ASO research using our ASO MCP tool, and give me what keywords we should be targeting and what other competitors we have, what reviews they have, and how can we rank on app charts. So if I'll say this, now my agent will go into using my ASO, like the MCP tool, which has some secret sauce internally, which will do a lot of research for me and will finalize the best keyword strategy to rank. Like, it will also give me what are the core keywords, what people are complaining about, and things like that. So I'll show you like live how this works. Alldragon, switched my project management to linear. It's much better. Same Alldragon. I just switched my, like, I was using linear, but most of the things I was doing with manually, and that was not very efficient. Then I found out there is a linear MCP, and again, thanks to Sam, because he is also doing the same thing with linear. And now I can just talk to my agent on my terminal, and it manages my so my agent, my Claude Code agent, is my like Scrum Master. It manages my sprint and also gives me which task I should be working on right now. Meanwhile, I can just give some task to my Codex agent. Can you make a change in the style preview model and give me and add a input area using existing input area component, which will be the prompt we will be passing to the server. And instead of continue, change the button to generate, and each generate button should also have the credits it will cost to make that effect transformation. Let's see. So my agent has done the keyword research for me. So let's see what comprehensive ASO research report. Based on my research using the iOS App Store data, here's a comprehensive analytics. Key competitors. So there is Temply, AI Video and Reels Maker. Now I can go and check out what this Temply app is. So this is Temply. So this is more like a not really what we are targeting for, but the good thing, it has like 31,000 ratings. So obviously the market is huge and people are still using this thing. Another is Mojo, AI Video and Reels Editor. I already know about this. Zoomrang, AI Video Maker. Strength is AI Video Maker, Templates, Effect, Viral. Targeting keywords is AI UGC Creator, Viral Video Hooks, AI Content Generator, AI Reels Creator. Nice. Then there is a secondary keyword 3-second hooks, AI video automations, then there are long tail keywords. So good thing is it has done the research from App Store. So all the keywords which the agent is suggesting are not just made up keywords from the agent. These are based on the data which it found from the MCP. So yeah, competitive insights from reviews. Now, yeah, it has gone through the reviews of these apps as well. And what it has found is ease of use mentioned in 80% of the positive reviews. Time saving, templates and automation. So this is what people are praising these apps for: ease of use. And so this will help me make the messaging for my app. One thing is it has to be ease of use. This will also help me on planning the UX of the app. So how easy I can make it for the users. Time saving, professional results, AI powered features, direct social media integration. So yeah, this is something of a gold mine which I am finding here. Like you can directly post on social media. If I can give an integration type of thing inside the app, that will also be a beneficial feature. High subscription. Okay, pain points. So these are the pain points. High subscription prices, most complaints, app crashes and technical issues. We can look into that. Limited free features and exports. Well, obviously they can't give you unlimited. So we will have to look what we can fix on this pain point. Poor customer support. We'll have to nail this one. Inappropriate AI generated content. This will have to look into as well. So ASO strategy is UGC hook AI viral video creator for social media. Too long of a title, but let's see if we can do something around it. And create 3-second viral hooks. Focus on these keywords based on the competitor gaps. Emphasize on lightning fast 3-second hook generation, AI that understands viral psychology, affordable pricing. Create viral UGC ads, perfect for small creators. Key features, ranking strategy, target long tail keywords with low competition, build authority around viral video creator, additional recommendation, competitive, and blah 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 blah. Okay, give me all the core keywords which you have identified in a comma separated paragraph so I can copy paste them on my ASO research tool. Let's see like live results on our Astro, how these are working. Let's see. Let's see on Astro which type of keywords are performing how. Alright, I'm doing winter arc on X daily at Anastan. Winter arc, you mean like logged in for the winter? Nice. I don't understand need of MCP honestly as of now. Man, MCP, like if you start using it for your own workflows, like the things which you repeatedly do. For example, I was browsing App Store a lot. I was, looking at reviews a lot. And these things were time consuming. And I was doing a lot of talking with ChatGPT, finding keywords on internet. And this was so time consuming. Now I have made this a small MCP, which saves me like I think 30-45 minutes every day. So yeah, that's what I found very interesting about these MCPs. So most of these keywords are not doing that great. AI UGC creator. I need to see what other apps are doing. AI video photo generator. What I can do is extract competitor keywords. AI art, AI creator, AI picture, video chat. Also recently what I have found out is Astro is also like not giving so great results in terms of like the popularity is so bad, because even the founder of Astro has posted on Twitter that Apple API which they use on the back end has started giving wrong results. Like popularity is wrong here. So that's why it does not work that well. So I'm not sure if like AI UGC creator, I don't think it's that bad of a keyword. Let me just do a quick check on App Store myself. Like if I type ASO, sorry, not ASO, AI UGC. So you see AI UGC videos is like the second uh, result. And there is already an app, AI GC videos, 100% AI generated, unlimited exports. And this app was, I think, released quite a long back, like 9 months back, by some developer. Ajay AS. Let's see how much this app is making. Wait, no. Let me. Okay. So to be honest, the AIGC app is not getting a lot of downloads, maybe because it's not ranked properly. So in a way, that keyword is not performing that great, but we can do something around it. Also, it will. Let's see. I'll have to find some other keyword. So technically, this is right. Most of the keywords are not doing that great compared to Reels Maker and AI Video Creator. But these are like dominated by heavy competitors. Like you can't even come on top here. So yeah, this is what this tool is for. So just 5-10 minutes, I have a good set of keywords, a good set of research pain points, what other apps are doing, which is super handy when you're building any app. I did the same thing with teleprompter research. How is winter in Goa? It's pretty chill in Goa. I mean, the weather is, oh well, like it's less than 28, 25. The least it will go is like 24, 25 maybe. I love the weather in Goa in the winter time. Okay, so right now where I am, it's 24 degrees, and the max it will go is like 32. I think it's around 1 or 2 p.m. After that, it goes down. In the evening, it's so cool, breezy, and yeah, it will just be around 22, 21 to 32. This will be the range, and this will be like this till I think January. From Feb, it starts to raise a little bit, and then the whole summer starts by I think Fab end. Adarsh, Dittal, Adarsh, can you show us a demo how it does simplify your work? You mean the MCP which I am working on, or I just showed like how it works? I have just did a whole research and found out this whole thing about my app which I wanted to build using Cloud Code with this MCP which I have built. So yeah, you can just go back onto the live, just see that segment. You will figure it out. My 8 GB Mac is already struggling. Now I feel it becomes sluggish. Yeah, man, I can understand. I have this MacBook Air, which also gives me that pain. It still has like, I think 16 GB of RAM, but with Xcode and all, it struggles so bad. Okay, it is saying it has done some changes, but did it? Select start frame editor preview model. Wait, shit, I have given the wrong. Wait, let's remove the changes you made on style preview. I want those changes on the editor preview model, as we use this model to trigger the workflow. Code with UV. Hey, hi, Code with UV. Goat. Hi, Goat. How are you? Hello, Divyanshu. Hello. Varun, hi. Nowadays, life becomes too busy. Hey, Varun, what happened? How are things? All Dragon. Oh, okay. Sam. His MacBook Air gives him sneezing allergy. Yeah. So last, I think on Friday, I went to Sam's place, and that day, I think I woke up with a small like a irritation in my nose. And as I was sitting with Sam and in his AC room, I started to sneeze. Like I got a fit of his sneezes, and I have to run away. I came home, and that's that evening. I got a little fever, and next day also I was feeling not 100%. So yeah, I don't know if it was my MacBook Air. Code with the Vidyan should do 4 and 5 years of work person make MVP or build the full app at once. Do 4 and 5 years of work person make MVP or build the full app at once? What do you mean by like MVP or full app? Like this is not even a choice. You always have to build an MVP. Like always build an MVP and just show it to the users and get feedback and then keep building. Do not go full berserk building mode. But do I mean by that? Do not add more than 1 or 2 features, core features. Just test those 1 or 2 core features if anybody cares about them. That's what the MVP is. Like minimize your development time, because that's very, I'm also like learning this. Like I'm these days I'm so thinking so much about what to build, where to put my time on, so that I can just do least amount of development with maximum amount of output. Because it's a conservation of energy. Like I have to conserve a lot of energy to do other things like marketing, content and all. And that's why like I'm choosing my battles very carefully. That's why most of my apps, they do not have a lot of features. They just do one single thing, and I try to just do one single thing very good, launch it, see how users are responding, what are the pain points, gather as much data as possible, and just keep adding things on top slowly. The first goal is create an MVP and launch it. No matter if you have 4 and 5 years of experience, or no matter if you have like 20 years of experience, every good company just do this. Build an MVP. Anshuman Behura. Hey Divyanshu. Hey Anshuman, how are you? Okay, so I just received a message from Apple just now, which is they have rejected the app. Let's see what they are saying now. Sam, I'm using Z with GLM 4.6. Very good. Next up, try testing tomorrow. Cool. Let me know, Sam, how it goes. Let's see what Apple has to say about my app. Code with your smart way. Thanks. I cleared my doubt. Cool. Happy to help. Yes, proceed. Proceed with whatever you are doing. Okay, so this is why they have rejected. Developer information. The support URL provided does not direct to a website. With information, users can ask questions and request support. Update the specified support URL to direct. Performance. We are unable to complete the review because one of our in-app purchases product have not been submitted for review. Especially the app includes reference to restore purchase, but the associated in-app purchase products have not been submitted. What? Restore purchase. Oh shit, this is my bad. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to just update 2 things. One is the support URL. So support URL will be support. Okay. Sam, how do you invest in Nasdaq? Like spot or ETF? What do you want to buy? Like let's say S and P. Okay, Sam, I can say clearly cursor is shit. So bloated, and dear lord, never use Claude code in it. That shit ponders, fidgets, ruminating for 2 hours and just force chat session. Khatam kata. Bye bye. So, you know, so one, Sam, like I'm using Claude code without using the Claude thing. I'm using Kimi K2 thinking mode on it. Kimi K2's thinking mode is really good, and I can show you how I use it generally. So you just have to go to this playground, which is platform.moonshot.ai, and buy some tokens. I have total consumption, like in last 3-4 months, I have done around $39, and I have still have like $15 remaining. The good thing about them is that their docs, which is here, Claude code. Wait, Claude code. So you, once you have a Claude code session, you have to just add your like API key and set up this turbo preview model, which is super fast, super cheap. And once you are inside this, now the thinking model will work, and thinking, their Kimi K2 thinking agent is really great. Like people are praising for it. It's as good as 4.5 Claude, and I think 10x cheaper than that. So this is what I'm currently using. The only downside is it doesn't work with images. Apart from that, it works nice. So I don't use much images on it. What I was doing, yes. Wait, I need to add support. Okay, we'll ask Codex to do it for me. CD 100 apps, Delhi. Or maybe you will plot. Can you add a new file called as support.html in this project, which will be a support page for our web app and also for our iOS app? Here is our app description, and email for our developer is div@ai sidekick.com. Okay. Description for our app is like this, and take design inspiration from privacy and terms page. Okay, editor preview model now supports prompts. Okay, model manager. We'll need to make it around 100%. Code with Yuki. Divanshu, I built my own plugin of Minecraft, and just one website approved my plugin and says that if you get 5,000 views, we will give you $1. Oh wow, 5,000 views for $1. Man, if you make reels or TikTok for my apps, I would give you that deal as well. If you get like 5,000 views on reels and all for my apps, I would give you $1. Shiv Koja, hi, can you show in brief how you are making whole apps with AI? Hey Shiv Koja, whole apps, maybe I'll have to make a dedicated video. Generally, I do speak a lot on these live streams of my complete workflow, how I'm making them. But yeah, I'll have to make a full dedicated video for that. Well, good thing is Factory AI just replied to my email. Who is Ben Tossel? Droid dealer. Oh, he's the founder of Droid. He replied to me. That's the power of X I like. Like you can directly talk to the founders. Shubham or just okay. Shubham is on the trading spree. I'm learning life. What is MRR? Hey, welcome to the stream. MRR is monthly recurring revenue, like the money, the revenue which your apps are generating monthly. Blinken, I am there now. I passed the point of MVP and I have done too much before pushing it out of the user. Now I'm stuck, I think. Yeah, I mean, the only thing is, if you do not launch on the MVP stage, then you get to a point where you think you invested too much time, energy, and things, and in the end, you're not getting that kind of an output or feedback from the users. So you feel a little bit more disappointed because you have spent too much time on building. I have been there multiple times, and so yeah, it's a good learning. Like nowadays, I just optimize for pushing things out as much as I can, as quickly as I can. Sam, yeah, that's what I am. Cloud Code with GLM 4.6. I have tried Kimi. I don't think it's better than GLM. I mean, I have tried Jimmy like GLM as well. I have the GLM tokens as well. Sometimes I do use that, but I don't know. For my use cases, I feel Kimi understands what it needs to do much better without me like reprompting it multiple times compared to GLM. So I think it maybe depends on the project as well. Shubham, okay. Anshuman, hard paywalls are better, or we should give options to try the app first because we have to give free credits in that case. Anshuman, I would say like hard paywalls for apps generally is a good idea, but initially, see, you know what I'm learning. You will see a lot of opinions on Twitter from users who are already getting a lot of impressions, a lot of users. Then for them, or they have like a distribution plan, like they have a distribution channel, either Meta ads, or they are running their TikTok channel, or they have some website from where they are bringing traffic. So they are bringing traffic to their funnel. I'll show you like, okay, this is a very good question. I'll show you what I have learned. So, you know, this is the funnel of your users. This is the funnel of the users who are coming into your app. Now, if you have like, let's say, oh, how to increase this shit. So let's say you are bringing 100 users, which are the impressions, right? And then these 100 users are converting into, let's say, 10 downloads, which is pretty good conversion rate, 10%. Generally, it's bad. It's worse than this. And then out of these 10, there is like, let's say, again, 10% conversion, which is again super awesome. Then you have one paid user who is coming. So this is a funnel for you. Now in this funnel, what you are doing is you are putting a hard paywall, which is making this 10 to 0 conversion very hard. It will happen, but it will become very hard for the user, for those 10 users who downloaded your app to come to one stage where they are using your app. Now, but if this increases to, let's say, 100,000, like you have 100,000 impressions and thousands of users are coming, then you can do this, because now if you have a hard paywall, let's say if even 10 people convert, they are the true real paying users, which is again valuable. So I mean, we have to decide, do we want to give a hard paywall, or we have to just get users rolling using your app? Because the more users coming, downloading and using your app will start ranking. So if in my learning, what I've learned is I'll update all of my apps in a way where I will give a lot of free credits, which will cost me money, but I will start the ball rolling in a way. Users are using my app, they're coming, using it daily. Maybe I'm capping their free limit for a day, like two generations, 3 generations. But my main motivation initially would be to make sure that they are coming back to the app often and they are using my features. They're giving me some feedbacks on what's working, what's not working, so I can improve the app. Because initially, once you launch, you will not have hundreds and thousands of users if you do not have a lot of distribution moat. You will have like 100 impressions converting to 10 downloads in the best day, and that converting to one paid user. So this will be a realistic goal. And in this realistic goal, if I put a hard paywall here, let's say hard paywall is like red, then the one conversion will be 0. And you have like 0 users who are using your app because they just rejected you in the hard paywall phase, which will teach Apple algorithm that this app is not worth it because we gave some users to this app and nobody kept using this app, so your ranking will drop because of this. This has been my learning. Now again, in Twitter, in a lot of like devs who are talking on Twitter, they have moats, they have distribution channels. So for them, the advice they are giving is not for someone who is just starting out with this strategy. So I would say do not add hard paywalls. Even I'm going to remove hard paywalls. I'll give as much free credits initially. My main goal for most of my apps is to get as many good reviews and keep users coming back to the app, keep using them. Obviously it will cost me money, but I'm ready to pay that upfront cost so that my algorithms learn that, okay, this app is useful, people are using it, and that's how you start ranking up. Once the funnel starts to improve, then maybe I'll put a hard paywall where I'll see, okay, now the ranking is higher and algorithm has learned that this app is valuable. I'll add some other ways to, keep users using the app and they see the value in a different way. But yeah, very good question. Sam, yes, I know the AI is $3 for GLM. That's what I'm using. Okay. Trade options. You can't. Okay, Shubham and Sam are talking about the trading thing. I'm back. Cursor model Composer 1 is under free until 11 PST. I mean, I am not a big fan of Composer, man. It just wastes my time and energy compared to just paying and getting things done and moving on to the another thing. Composer is super fast, but not super, reliable. Sai, where can I find Kimi K2 thinking for free? I think for free, is it free on Open Router? I don't think. Minimax is free. Kimi K2 thinking. No, I don't think it's free anywhere, but it's very cheap. It's like 60 cents for input token per million input token and $2.50 for million token output token. And compared to what ChatGPT and Claude costs, which is somewhere around $15, it's super cheap. Like you'll not lose more than $5 a month if you compare to $25 on Cursor or Claude or ChatGPT. Varun, why are you not running ad to generate something in free plan? That's also like one of the route which most of the devs can take. Like you, without paying, you can just run rewarded ads to give your AI credits. But again, I feel initial investment is important in building apps these days, because if you just rely only on just making revenue initially, users might not be able to use your app, and they have a lot of options. The market is so saturated that there are 10 apps doing the same thing, so they have to make a decision that, okay, these 9 apps are not allowing me, pushing me hard with the hard paywall. What is my mode? I can put a little bit of my effort to amuse them with like a free plan, free credits initially, some with a rate limit which I can afford, and once they are using it, giving me good reviews, and I have made a good bonding with the initial first 100 users, got some like 10-15 good reviews, then algorithm will start ranking me. Then I can just start earning money. It's like investing money on your business. It's, if you think with this way, instead of just, okay, I have created an app, let's make some money, it will not work out in the current scenarios. This is what I'm learning. And with ads, the thing is, it's super annoying to just watching those 2 minutes ad. I have used a lot of my competitor apps, and in Android specifically, they are heavily relying on ads. The experience is so shitty. And I mean, yeah, the developer is making money, but I don't know, like user experience is bad, so their reviews will be bad, and the chances of they using the app for long term will be bad. So in the end, it will be a bad investment. Anshuman, thanks for clarifying. I have created 3 TikTok accounts for promotion and got 300,000 impressions on post, but still very less conversions. On X, I don't know how people are showing so much MRR easily. Another thing which I have learned is don't trust Twitter build people. Like they are just showing off whatever they can. There are companies who are investing like $100,000 on ads and making like 50,000 revenue, which they are showing on their Twitter feed. So technically on the back end, what they are not showing is the loss of $50,000 which they have made on that month, where they showed they have made 50,000 revenue on that screenshot. So do not trust blindly what people are showing on Twitter. 80-90% it's just fake. 80-90%. Some are really genuine people who do talk about how they're growing things and do share, and nobody will share their secret sauce. In this competitive market, it's nobody is gonna share what they are doing to get users. Nobody is gonna tell you exactly how to reach where they have reached without you doing struggling and without you finding your own way. And as you have already done the TikTok marketing, Anshuman, I would love to connect with you, because I am also like planning to run my own TikTok. I have recently got this second-hand iPhone because one of my friend, he told me, he's also an indie hacker. He told me like start marketing on TikTok. I haven't like even set this up. I don't want to screw my TikTok creation. So Anshuman, if you can just join on our Discord, or if you can just talk like how can I set up my TikTok and how can I start making content. I'm learning these days. Like I'm trying with some Instagram accounts. So yeah, that would be helpful. Shubham, use Trust MRR. Trust MRR is for websites only and for Stripe. And also like it's like Trust MRR is a dick measuring contest where people are showing their MRRs, but you do not know how they're generating that MRR. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying they are faking the screenshots. The screenshots are right. But from where they are you bringing those users and what their actual revenue is, nobody knows that. Korean, try vibe coding with AI. Okay, I'll try vibe coding with AI. Cool. Where is our agent support? Yes, allow edits during this session. So one is the support email and another is I need to remove that teleprompter restore button. Try eating dinner with a spoon. Brother, TikTok banned here. Yeah, that's the thing. TikTok is banned, but there are ways where you can do it from India as well. Many devs are doing it with VPNs and all. Support center. You follow, you grow. It's 200x easier than YouTube for sure, but YouTube has a loyal audience. Anshuman, can you please join on Discord? I would love to have a small chat with you if you're free to have that discussion, because I'm in the process of setting it up. Like I haven't even set up like my iCloud account in this. I need to have like some warm-up process. I want to do that. Blinken, TikTok is banned. Yes, Blinken, it's been banned for I think 4-5 years now. 4 years. It was there in 2020 or some time back, but yeah, now it's not. So this is a good support page. We can just push this. Git push knowledge. So the support page is done, which is a good thing. Another thing which I need to do is update the teleprompters profile page to remove the restore purchase button. Okay. And are we showing the paywall from anywhere? Job preview, it's fine. Paywall model, we are not showing. Show paywall. Onboarding story, not doing. Index. Handle credit press. Let's remove this as well. Profile. Show paywall. Yeah, but remove the button. And on the header, we have, what is it? Will not show this. Picker view, app context. This is fine. Wait, for example, remove it, and just run it. Even using VPN, we can't access it, I think. No, there are ways. Like most of my like indie devs, they are doing it on in India, from India itself. One of my friend, he recently got a viral video on TikTok, got like 1 million impressions, which resulted in, he told me like around 200 people downloading his app. So the conversion was very less, but again, 200 users, which you can scale, which is in your hand. The more content you push, the more chances of getting viral. So it's something which in a way is in your hand compared to just relying on ASO, which you don't know how it will. You are just pushing things out on App Store and just thinking, okay, Apple will take care of it. I will tweak a little bit of ASO here and there and see how it helps. But with the amount of competition, just ASO is not the right marketing. That's why I'm thinking to even leverage content a little bit more, harder. Anshuman. Okay, I will join your Discord. You can do that on Android as well. Oh, really? I have a spare Android phone as well. Let's see if it allows it in Android too. When you're available to talk. Anshuman, can we do the conversation tomorrow if you're free in morning time? Let me just ping you. Where are you? Have you joined the Discord? I can't see you here. So this is our Discord channel. There you will see a link as well here. Join me on Discord here. I'll pin this message. Blinken, I had no idea. They banned it here for 2 weeks or so earlier this year, but people got super pissed, so they reinstated it. A lot of creators making money on it are going to be unemployed. Yeah, that was the thing. Like in India also, like a lot of creators came out from this TikTok era. But now I think Instagram Reels is competing with YouTube Shorts. So these are the two major short form content platforms in India. There were a lot of copycats. There was like Chingari, a lot of Indian brands, but I don't think anyone picked it up as good as what Instagram and YouTube has done. Sai, how can I build simple front-end apps like you did with your app homepage? I know little about front-end. I work mostly in backend, fast API. Sai, front-end is easy, man. Like if you already know backend, I think, front-end is just talk to AI, use any tool like Cursor, Claude Code, Droid, and it's simple. Like just tell what it needs to do. Even talk to the agents itself. If you have no idea about how the UX will be, what is the best use case, AIs are really good at front end. So yeah, or even if you do not even want that, you can use Lovable, Bolt New. Even there is a new tool which is Rourke, which is for mobile apps. So anyone of you wants to build mobile apps, so I saw a lot of creators using this on Twitter, and people are building all these crazy apps which are right now live on Apple. Like you see this app, this is built with Rourke. You can just talk here, build native app faster with Rourke. You can't do a lot of things in these, but again, easy to make simple back front ends. Sam sent you an app. Oh, Sam's app of the day is here. Also, Anshuman, please let me know once you join the Discord, or if you can just send me any way to contact you if you don't want to join the Discord. That's also fine. Here is Sam's app of the day. So the app for the day is Lapa. Oh wow! So this is a front-end interface. What you call like listicle, where you can see all the good designs, good UXs. So who asked the question just now? Sai. So Sai, this is a very good tool for you. You can learn how to make good products, good experiences using this tool. landing page design courses, master design skills, comprehensive tutorials and guides. So if anyone wants to work on good UI and learn some good product design, this is a really good tool for that. Thank you, Sam. I generally use like Dribble for some like learning or in getting inspiration, or Pinterest. And sometimes I do use Mobbin as well. But Mobbin, I'm almost about to buy their pro plan to see what other apps are doing. But Mobbin is really good. Like they keep a repository of all the apps and all their screens, which really helps. For example, like this screen looks so good. So you can get inspirations from these screens, how they are putting elements and how they are showing certain things, like filling a form with few buttons. You get a good inspiration. You can just screenshot this, ask AI to make something similar for your app's use case. So you can get good inspirations for different screens here, or like a small UI elements which you want to add in your app. The good thing is, as an indie like who is working alone, all these apps which are built like ChatGPT and all, they have like tens of product managers, product designers who spend hundreds of hours on perfecting small use cases. They do a lot of A/B testing because they have that kind of budget. Whereas you, as an indie, can just take an inspiration, because you can think of like why they are doing it this way, because they have done a proper A/B testing that makes the best use case for that kind of a form filling field, of that kind of screen, that kind of navigation. So you don't have to like reinvent everything by yourself. Tech Turner Life. I need to start learning AI coding. Nice. All the best, Tech Tuner. VSS, Google AI Studio is also good. I haven't tried Google Studio since I think once it was launched. Back then it was not that great. But I've seen they have given a new upgrade. People were talking about it on Twitter. I saw. I'll try it out. Raj Chitnia, how do you launch and track the payments in your app? I mostly build iOS apps, so Apple does that for me. I don't have to do all of that. Yarn run bump patch. Then we will run npx pre-build. We'll have to submit the app again. And I hope my teleprompter free.com/support is live. Yep, my support link is live. So what I'll do is I will submit this as well. Meanwhile, the product archive. Anshuman, my Discord is updating. I will be available in evening, as morning I have college. Oh, cool, Anshuman. Yeah, let me know whenever. Like, I'll ping you tomorrow evening. I'll just ping you, so whenever you are available, just revert back, and I will maybe have a call or just a chat, whatever works for you. It's showing unable to accept invite. Really? Let me give you another link. Invite friends, hidden. Copy button, copy. Can you try this link, Anshuman? I just created this fresh new link. Good night. Bye. Hey, Shubham. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye. Have a good night. VSS, it's really nice. You should give it a go. Cool. I'll try it out. Okay, even I think we have set for more hours. I'll finish the session. I'm archiving this app and will submit it for the review. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It was really fun after hanging out here for like it was a break for 3-4 days, but we'll join you guys tomorrow again. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you everyone. And Anshuman, if possible, please join the Discord and ping me. I'll start my TikTok experiment as well this week. See you. Bye bye.